The ongoing conflict in West Asia is disrupting global energy markets. Oil prices have swung sharply, shipping routes are under strain, and the ripple effects are now being felt across India, from household kitchens to small businesses. One of the most immediate pressures is on LPG supply. Across several parts of the country, authorities are tightening distribution to ensure that cooking gas reaches households first. In Punjab, state-run oil marketing companies have suspended the dispatch of non-domestic, non-exempted LPG cylinders. These include the 19 kg commercial cylinders as well as 47.5 kg and 425 kg jumbo cylinders used by hotels, factories and large establishments. The order took effect on 6th March, with distributors instructed to prioritize household LPG supply. In Bengaluru, hotel and restaurant owners say supplies of commercial LPG cylinders have already stopped. The Bangalore Hotels Association has warned that many hotels could be forced to shut operations starting 10th March if supplies are not restored. Industry representatives say oil companies had earlier assured around 70 days of uninterrupted supply, making the sudden halt particularly alarming. The disruption could extend beyond restaurants. Students, working professionals, and hospital staff who depend on affordable meals from local eateries may also be affected. The energy crunch is also affecting essential civic services. In Pune, the municipal corporation has temporarily shut down gas-based crematoriums following a 5th March directive from the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The order asked authorities to prioritize propane and butane for domestic LPG supply. At the Vaikunth crematorium, 3 gas-fired furnaces have been shut. Electric and wood-based cremation facilities remain operational, with officials saying the move was necessary to conserve fuel. To manage supplies, the government has increased the minimum waiting period for booking a domestic LPG refill from 21 days to 25 days. The aim is to prevent hoarding and ensure fair distribution if global supply disruptions worsen. Officials say there is currently no shortage of petrol or diesel at fuel pumps. India has also accelerated crude sourcing from routes outside the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow shipping lane through which nearly 1/5 of global oil trade passes. The country is also maintaining adequate stocks of aviation turbine fuel. For now, US President Donald Trump has said the US military operation could end very soon, but still, uncertainty remains. If the West Asia conflict drags on, higher energy prices could push up transport and manufacturing costs, adding to inflation. Industries that rely heavily on LPG and imported fuel, including hospitality and small businesses, may feel the pressure first. Follow Business Standard for more stories.